Today, how to design artistic particle effects. Open Photoshop and create a 2000 by 2000 pixel canvas with a dark charcoal background. Add a new layer, fill it with black, and generate noise at about 75% Gaussian monochromatic. Use levels to isolate bright speckles and switch blend mode to screen. Duplicate the layer, scale it larger, and blur it around 1 pixel so some particles appear farther away. Lower opacity of each layer differently to create depth. Add a mask and fade particles from central areas to guide focus. Introduce a subtle hue saturation adjustment clipped to the speckle layers to tint them slightly. Group all layers